Hi, and welcome to this episode of TinkLogic's Portal Help. In this tutorial, we look at creating and editing users in User Site Management 2.0. As the page opens, we see the three gray buttons at page top left. Let's create a user. Select Create User button. The cursor is in the new username text box, waiting for input from us. Let's type in a username we want to create. We check the valid characters a username can contain by clicking on this help icon. Now press the check availability button. We see that this username already exists in the portal, so let's try a different one. The username is then transferred to username text box, and we're ready to fill in the rest of the information. In order to get voice alarms, you need to list either your land phone or cell phone. To get text messages, you need your cell phone and the correct cell carrier. Now let's assign a primary role and some secondary roles. To get a feel for what menu options and functionality each user type has, click on the help icon and view the following permission and roles grid. The blue entries signify main navigation menu items. The gray OPT means an optional feature requiring the appropriate secondary role. Let's select User as primary role and Reports and Disposals as secondary roles. Now to Continuous Site Assignment. This feature is new in version 2.0, and if we click on this help icon, it outlines some of the purposes of it, which you can read. We will leave Jackie with a continuous site assigned no. We'll take a quick look at the buttons along the bottom panel. The Create New User button permanently adds new user to the database. An email will be sent with user credentials and login instructions to the email address provided. The Clear and Reset button will just remove form field information from the page. It does not write or remove anything in the database. Finally, we will create new user and receive a confirmation. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped.